Jingle bell, bell, jingle
Hey NiqueNation, happy Vlogmas! So it's your girl Jonique making it look unique, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys for Vlogmas Day 4 how I achieved my Christmas intro. So stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first step you're going to need to do is go on Google. So I found this background on Google. I think I put in plain Christmas backgrounds, and this was the one that caught my eye. It is so pretty, and I wanted to incorporate it in my intro. So I'm using CapCut Pro to turn this image into a video. So as you can see, I'm stretching out the image to make sure that it fits the entire canvas, and I'm going to be using it for 10 to 15 seconds for my intro. So you want to stay within that range because you don't want it to be too long or too short. So once you got it to your desired liking, you're going to export it to your album and save it in 1080p. This is going to be the best high quality for your intro. In this clip, I'm just repeating the previous step with a different background. This will be the second part of my intro. So if you want to make your videos more animated, you're going to go on YouTube and search Christmas themed transition green screens, Christmas themed overlay green screens to put in your videos. So I use YT-MP3 because it gives me the option to download music and videos, which makes it 10 times easier. So as you can see, I'm looking for Christmas overlays, and I'm going to download it to put it within my video. I'm playing with the different overlays, trying to decide which one I want. I saw these little ornament ones. I thought it was cute, but it didn't fit well with the background. What really drew my eye were these snowflakes. I also came across a nice transition slide for my second part of my intro as well. In this clip, I'm just playing around with the text box to add in the initial part, to put my name in it, to add something different to the beginning of the intro. It is very nice so far, and I like how it's coming out. I got this Polaroid image off of Google, and I'm going to be using my ARESA app to eliminate the background. So I'm going to be using the threshold and the target area to make the image transparent. So once I'm finished with that, I'm just going to save it, and it's finished. So as you can see, I'm just adjusting the second Polaroid. I'm trying to figure out what landscape I want to do, but for the transition, I wanted to do up in, and I didn't like how the down out looks, so you can be able to maneuver how you want it to come in and come out with the little blue triangles. So I was looking for a leaving transition, so I decided to go with fade out. I felt that that was just a better option for this clip. I wanted to add Merry Christmas to the slide. It is very easy to add text in CuteCut Pro. So all you have to do is go to the capital F at the bottom of the tab, and as you can see, I'm trying to figure out what font I want to do, if I want to change the color, but I end up coming up with this font, and I really love how it turned out so far. And I wanted to add transitions. So when you're adding transitions, you're going to hit the plus sign at the bottom of the tab, and I actually did a down in and a fade out. So in this clip, I wanted to create an animated ornament ball. I couldn't find an overlay, so I went on Google and I found this image, and I used my eraser app to erase the background. So in this clip, I wanted to create a 3, 2, 1 countdown. So as you can see, I'm adding text to it, and I really like how it's coming out so far. I really love it. And then for the final touch, I'm going to add my music, import it into iMovie, and that's just going to be the finishing touch to it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and this is the final result.